Albondigas are Mexico's meatballs, but I also love the saucy, cheesy American meatballs. So we're pumping up el sabor, so we're mixing the two. So I'm gonna make a meatball mix, and I'm gonna cook that in a rich tomato and chipotle sauce. So I'm adding my meat in here, and then a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I'm cracking 2 eggs right in here, and the garlic, a lot of garlic, and some salt, and black pepper. And I'm gonna mix it all. Don't be afraid to use your hands. You're gonna wash them after. So use both your hands and have a go at it. Now I'm gonna make the tomato chipotle sauce where the meatballs are going to cook. I'm going to add the Mexican home-style salsa, which is a rich tomato sauce that's slightly spicy, but it has so much flavor. I'm gonna use the chipotle sauce, and this doesn't have the chipotle chiles in it. It's just the adobo sauce. It's where the chipotle chiles marinate. So you have the jalapenos that were picked when ripe, then they're dried, then they're smoked, then they're marinated in that adobo sauce, and this is that adobo sauce. So we have that combination of the tomato salsa with the chipotle salsa, and we're gonna mix these. And I can see it start to simmer, and I'm gonna add chicken broth. I'm gonna stir, and you can see this super rich, deep red color. So I have these over medium heat, and I'm going to use a little bit of water to help me shape the meatballs so they don't have marks or dents. So every meatball is gonna be about 2 inches in size. I like the meatballs big, so I grab a little water, put it in my hands to shape the meatball so it's nice and soft. And also use the palm of your hands and not so much your fingers. And gently drop them in the rich tomato chipotle sauce. So now I'm gonna cover, and I'm gonna let these cook at medium heat for half an hour, and they'll be ready. And the albondigas are ready. Okay, so I'm gonna slice the bread. I'm gonna add my meatballs. Ooh, that looks pretty, you guys, with the steam. Adding more sauce because we want that bread to start soaking up the sauce. We're gonna cheese it up. We're adding so much cheese. And then, of course, we need to pump up the sabor a little more. So I'm adding sliced pickled jalapenos. You know how many I'm adding? As many as will fit the top. And I'm gonna stick this in the oven until it all comes together. The cheese melts, creates a crust on the outside. Look at these. Oh, so you can see how the cheese melted all over the place, and it created a crust all over the edges, which we call that in Mexico chicharrón de queso. You fell in love. I've fallen in love. It's falling apart. I need to eat it now. It's the way to go to pump up el sabor. So to pump up your sabor, follow along.